Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a set of custom audio cables from World's Best Cables. Specifically, these are two 3-foot patch cables featuring the highly regarded Canare L-4E6S star quad cable and terminated with NutriGreen 1/4-inch gold TRS stereo phone plugs. Let's dive into what makes these cables stand out, starting with the cable itself. The Canare L-4E6S comes from Canare Electric Company, Ltd. in Japan, a company with a long history dating back to 1970, known globally for their reliable pro audio and video products. This is a premium 21 AWG cable designed for high-end audio. A key feature is its star quad design, which is incredibly effective at reducing almost all electromagnetic interference noise, ensuring a cleaner signal path. The cable is built for durability and flexibility, even in cold conditions, thanks to its construction with 40 separate strands in each conductor. Canare is trusted by professionals and audiophiles alike for its superior sonic performance and robust build quality. Moving to the connectors, these cables use the NutriGreen NYS 228 BG 6.3 5mm TRS plugs. Green is a company under the Nutric AG umbrella, another name synonymous with quality connectors.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.